Okay, so take a moment or two. I want you to see if you can answer this on your own. All right, when you look at this problem, again, your first step is to factor. This involves looking to remove any common factors. There are none. Looking for special factor forms. There's really not, but you should recognize there's 4 terms. If there's 4 terms, what might we look to use? Factor by grouping. So in this case, we are going to use factor by grouping. In the first pair of terms, we can remove a common factor of x squared, leaving x minus 3. In the second pair of terms, we take out the sign, so just a -1, leaving an x. Factoring a -1 from a +3 leaves a -3. And so we have a common binomial factor that we remove. The remaining factors of x squared and -1 come out as well. Okay, now, we're not completely factored here. We can factor it even further. What can you factor x squared minus 1 into? Okay, so that is the difference of squares, right? So when we factor that, it factors into the sum and difference of the terms that are being squared. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I don't know why it's not doing it. You'll just have to follow on your computer. Right, once we get it completely factored, and then we can set each factor equal to 0. So that's to apply the 0 product rule. Okay, and so in each factor is equal to 0, what does this first factor, what value of x gives you a 0 here? 3 here, -1 in here, +1. When you write your answer, write it from smallest to largest. And again, if you do have the opportunity to check your solutions, it's always a good idea to do that. Okay, so